Hi, Mr. Uncle here, and in this video I'm looking at an example from the Khan Academy assignment, Solve Sinusoidal Equations. So we're going to select one or more expressions that together represent all solutions to the equation. Our answer should be in radians. We're going to assume n is any integer. So we're going to start to work this equation out. All right, so let's go up here. So we've got 14 times the sine of 20x minus 3 equals 2. So we're going to go backwards from PEMDAS, so SADMAP. So we're going to undo the addition or subtraction first. So we're going to add 3. We're undoing the subtraction. So we're going to get 14 times the sine (20x) equals 5. Okay, so we're SAD mapping along. We undid the subtraction. Now we've got to undo the multiplication of 14, so we're going to divide both sides by 14. So now we've got the sine 20x. Oops. Not divide by 15, but 14. So that equals 5/14. Okay, so let's move this over a little bit. So we're going to say, we're not going to say that. We're going to say 20x is going to equal the inverse sine, the arc sine, of 5/14. Okay, let's take out our handy calculator. Okay, so we want this in radians, so I'm going to click that, bring it into radians. I want inverse sine of 5/14, so 5 divided by 14, close my parentheses. Okay, so I get 20x is equal to approximately, or roughly, I'm going to round it to 0.365. Now, let's take a look at this. So we have our quadrants here. This is pi half, so about 1.57 radians. So 0.365 is some angle, say here, right? And we'll call that angle theta. Okay, well, you can reach theta by going around another 2 pi, going around again, another 2 pi, and so on and so forth. So really, try to write this a little smaller, really 20x is going to equal this 0.365 plus n times 2 pi. Okay, so I really crammed that in there. All right. So you see that as one of the potential solutions. You go, oh, okay, maybe I'll choose that. But don't, because we have to divide, we have to solve for x, not 20x. So we have to divide everything by 20. Okay. So let's divide this by 20. So we're going to get 0.18. So we get x equals 0.018 plus now 2 pi divided by 20 is pi tenths. So it's plus n times pi tenths. Okay, so that's going to be this one. So we want to choose all the solutions up. So we might think, oh, great, we're done. But remember from the unit circle that this angle here, the y value of a point on the unit circle is equal to the sine. So this is going to have the same y value. So it's going to have the same sine. So we've got to figure out what that is. And that original angle, remember if we go around, we go 0, pi halves pi. So pi right here. And then this would be 3 pi halves. We'll array around the circle is 2 pi, so on and so forth. But we have pi here, and we take and subtract back this 0.365. Okay, so if we take pi and we subtract the 0.365, we're going to get this, this angle here, which gives us the same sine value. So this in radians is going to be 2.77. Or 777 if we round to the nearest thousandths. Plus, remember, we can get it by doing n times 2 pi. Okay, great. But remember, the 0.365 equals 20x. So really, to figure this out, we have to divide everything by 20. We're going to get this n times pi tenths again, right over here. And then we just really have to divide this by 20. So divide that by 20. And we're going to get, we round it to the nearest thousandths. That's going to, 8's going to round up. So 0.139 plus n times pi tenths. So that's going to represent all the possible solutions. I know this video is complicated. If you do have questions, please leave comments in the comments below. You can also rewind the video, play it again as many times as you need to. Thank you for watching and have a great